Hey guys, welcome back to the fashion review portion of our channel. Now, I've been wanting to do this unboxing slash review for a while, but I just got really busy and I do have a full-time job as a journalist and in marketing, so it does get difficult. I mean, I'll have products that I've bought and I'll just leave them wrapped in the Chanel boxes for like weeks before I even take them out if I don't have an event or if I don't have like anything that I really need the bag for. So if you know me or if you're coming from my Instagram to my YouTube, you'll see a lot of my like photos are with classic flat bags. I have about 11 classic flat bags. Most of them are jumbo size. I have a couple of mediums and most of them are quilted caviar. My sales advisor knows to only send me, the newest jumbos and potential mediums when it comes to classic bags. I have a couple of 22s, but it's not like my go-to. So I saw this at the store and I immediately fell in love. Now, I was told this was a medium, but after ordering another one, they referred to it as a small, so I'm not sure. But here you can see me unboxing it while I'm going to the Barbie premiere. Similarly to the classic bags, it has the back pocket. Now this one has like a special handle, which is really cute. It also has the chain. However, I have not unwrapped the chain for this one because I like to hold it like this. Now, when I go to a lot of these movie premieres, I don't really like to take small bags. I'll take a medium or a jumbo, but I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max and a iPhone 14 Pro. I also have this wallet. And obviously this does not fit in here, so if you have the large classic flap wallet, you can kind of compare the two. You really aren't going to be putting your entire wallet in here, but this is good, for I can actually fit both of my phones, perfume, lipstick, lip gloss, random things, but I can't fit that wallet. But usually when I'm going to these events, as long as I have my ID and a couple of cards, car keys, whatever, I'm all good. This color, I mean, I obviously wore it for the premiere, but it's such a summer spring color. You can wear it like daytime going for brunch, you can wear it going out with your girlfriend, you can wear it in the evening if you're wearing a light color. Obviously it's a lighter color. I haven't had any, at the Barbie premiere, I'm not going to lie, it was very hectic where we were sitting. It was tight at the screening. I did put the bag on the floor a couple of times the first time I had taken it out. I'm doing this is going on the floor, it's going like this on the red seats. Luckily nothing happened. So I'm zooming in, it's perfectly clean. This one has the glossy gold hardware. Now I apologize for these blurry zooms, but I am moving around a lot, so this is going to be happening. So the inside is, it's pretty decent. It has like enough room, but it's such a cute bag and it's so versatile, and like I think it's really classy. This photo from the premiere, I wore it like this. I was taking photos with it in front of me. It was pretty comfortable. And then if you don't want to have it on your, hold it the whole time, you can put it on your shoulder. You just do have to be careful with like people, walking next to you and barging. And really, even though I was putting this down, it's still perfect. Nothing happened to it and it's all good. Now, call me crazy, but when I start to like an item, I want it in every color. Now I was obsessed with that one, and I was like, oh well, I can actually take it out and it's not that hard, and I don't feel as bad because it's not as expensive as the classic flat bags, which did go up in price this year. Now about a week later I bought this one, which is also in the same season and collection. This looks, at first when I saw it, I thought it was black when my other sales advisor was texting me photos, but it's actually a very dark brown. It's super cute because it's almost like off black, and I really like how the stitching stands out here. It's not same size. The only difference between this and the blue one is that this one has a crocodile handle. Now let's zoom into this handle really quick. I'm gonna show you guys the handle right here. Funnily enough, this was actually cheaper than this one. So this one before tax was $5,900, and they're both part of the 23A collection. This one before tax was $6,600. So that's what, a $700 difference. And the only thing I'm really seeing is the color and the handle. So basically, if you want the handle with this shiny stitching and weaved in and out strap going on, you're gonna be paying like $700 more. Here's the two of them next to each other. Super cute. This one, you know, I guess it's in the similar color sector of the baby blue one, but I was obsessed with this color. There's actually a classic flap that came out from a previous spring collection that was this color, but because I have so many jumbos, I was just like, it really doesn't make sense for me to get another jumbo just because I like the color. You know, if I wanted to really get it, I would have had to sell some other ones because I didn't want to keep repeating the same bag. And I have a jumbo in yellow, I have it in gray and beige, so it just didn't make sense to like get it in this color. But when I saw this Coco on that lady's page, I just lost my mind and I had to get it. Now this one was also $6,600, and it's NM369. So this, and it's 23S. So this is obviously from a prior collection to these two, but it still was costly. I will usually take a couple of my cards out and I will stuff them in this little pocket right here, right there. And then everything else will be too. And I have a large phone, so as you can see, like, this is my smaller phone, but I can, even with the stuffing, I can fit that in, close it, fine. But with it being a lighter color, you do want to be careful. The only difference with this is the matte gold hardware. Sometimes, this is brand new, like I just got this and I barely like unpackaged it, but I don't know if you can see this. Hardware. Now, me being like a neat, crazy like freak over my bags, that really bothers me, especially because it's new and you can still see there's plastic on this part and this part. But that's what you get with the matte gold hardware. It is more of the vintage faded look. So if that bothers you, I wouldn't get this color because it does come in this hardware, which is different to the other two, which have the more shiny gold. It does come with the special handle like the blue one, which is probably why it's $700 more than the brown one. And personally, I didn't really care for it. Like, I actually like the crocodile handle a little bit more, so I'm not really understanding like why there is that expense with this one. I would say if you're trying to get your first Coco, when it comes to sizing, I do not have this in any other size other than the small. All three of these are small. It's perfect because I can, as you can see from these photos, wear it anywhere, day, night, event, brunch. I literally went to a movie screening that was just at an IPIC theater, and I took the brown one. So it's very versatile. I think if you're going to get your first one, go with a darker color just because it's more safe. You can wear it more, matches more things. You know, with these colors, you do have to kind of like, I'm not gonna wear it with a neon blue or yellow dress. You know, I have to find like pastel colors to match. And then I really wouldn't pay an extra $700 just for the handle. Like, you want your first investment to be something that you're really like happy about, really sure about. And I didn't really realize that the difference in price was because of the handles until I just sat here and unboxed all three. Like I said, I'm not the hugest fan of the vintage matte looking hardware. I would probably give this one an 8 out of 10 because, like I said, it does bother me that it has this worn look. My black one is probably my favorite. I mean, sorry, not my black one, my brown one. See, I'm getting confused because it's such a dark brown that it looks black almost. 9 out of 10. I'd probably also give this one an 8 out of 10. So here's all three. I'm gonna show a better shot of them all.